Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom made t-shirt. For example, you can make one that says like Happy Camper on it and a camper. Maybe it's like a family reunion camping trip, like the Jefferson's family reunion trip. So let's get started. What I use to do my t-shirts, it's called Jocelyn's Boutique. Use the image, you can get it from your craft store and it tells you the steps. You have to go on the website and make an account. Then you can start doing your t-shirt. When you get to their website, you'll log in, or you can hit the start designing, and then if it's your first time, you'll have to make an account with the website. Okay, so when you go to the website, if you have a saved image, you'll go up here. It'll say open design. You can click on it and you go to my saved designs and it'll show you all your designs. If you come over here, you can select move tool. You can add text to your picture. You can add a rectangle, add a ellipse, shapes, lines. You can add different images. So you can come here if you want an image and you don't want it like from your phone. Come here and they have a ton of designs you can do, and you can put in what you want to look at. And then you can design where you browse design. Like I said, same thing. You can browse designs, or you can use your own design. You can come here and look. If you want to add text, you can. What you'll do is kind of click on it and it'll come over here, and you can click what type of font you want. You have a font, your font size, your letter spacing, different stuff like that. You can choose what color you want it to say. You can rotate it. You can blur it. If you want it stroke, a little shadow, a glow. Also on the website, if you don't know how to get started or need help on a part, you can go to the video tutorial right there and it will show you how to do add designs, add it on different fabrics. Also, you can go to YouTube and just put Johnson's Boutique images and it'll show you different YouTube videos that they have up of how to use the site. So once you're finished making your design, you'll hit print design. Make sure you put one sheet at a time into your printer and then you hit print. Okay, so when you get to this part, it says print my design. You're gonna go here and you're gonna look at your,
click on that, so you drop down.
You look at the drop down and you click which one you got. So after you look on this little paper thingy over here and it'll tell you what number you have. You'll come over here and you'll click which one you have. Then it will say it, and then you'll hit the print button and your design will print. Okay, so you'll flip your picture or design backwards, so it'll go like that. Then you'll pick up your iron and start ironing it. Go very slow and put as much pressure as you can. If you need, use 2 hands, and you're going to do this for 60 to 120 seconds. Okay, after you finish ironing, you're going to let it cool off a little bit, but not too cold, so like hot enough where you can touch it, but not too hot where it will mess up your hands. Then you're gonna slowly peel your stencil, very slowly, so there won't be no mishaps. And voila, there's your picture stencil. So once you print it, you'll start ironing. So you'll flip it over. You go very slowly around, put a lot of firm pressure if you need to use both hands. And then when it's cool enough to touch but still warm, peel it off and you'll see your design. this is the final result of my t-shirt. There's the front. There's the back. And now it's your turn to make your own shirt. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching again. Bye.